Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And if you are using Gigabyte B850 AI top this motherboard and you are getting any issue in the Wi-Fi and you have to update the Wi-Fi driver, and if you have to install Wi-Fi driver latest and older anyone. So guys, first I will tell you in this video. So first step, open any open any browser and Google search box to type like that gigabyte and model number. Okay, after that you can see gigabyte.com, this official website, it will come, and then click on it. Okay, so you can accept, and this is deep specifications of your motherboard. Okay, and it will, now it's buffering. Okay, so after that click to support. Then you can see, you can select the operating system which is you're using and which is your required. Okay, so right now I'm using Windows 11. After that, scroll down. So this is the audio driver, chipset driver. Scroll down, go to network, LAN. Okay, so LAN means internet. Okay, so you can see Bluetooth. VLAN means, guys, Bluetooth driver or Bluetooth. Okay, VLAN means Wi-Fi and BT means Bluetooth driver. Okay, so you can see Realtek audio driver. I can do like this. Okay, so Wi-Fi driver. Then, and always try to download the latest one. Click to download, and after that it will start downloading. You can see, and it is 14 MB. It's depend about your internet speed, and if this system it's not working the internet, so you can download driver in your mobile and then you can transfer to your system, and otherwise you can download another system and then you can transfer to the your this system. You can transfer via USB and data cable. Okay, and after it completed, then single click to open it. This is your Wi-Fi driver. Okay, so right click to click to open. Now it is installing. Then it is completed. Then guys, need to restart your system. Okay, and then please check it. Thank you.